General Atomics-Aeronautical Systems began the first installation of factory upgrades to a Gray Eagle extended-range unmanned aircraft system to enhance its capabilities to support multi-domain operations. The MDO upgrade follows a series of demonstrations that showcase the drone's persistent standoff survivability with stand-in capabilities and up to 40 hours of endurance. The modernization effort focuses on increased capability and survivability in a large-scale combat operations environment. It ensures that the upgraded drone can operate and thrive in a degraded navigation environment and provide high-fidelity situational awareness through a suite of long-range sensors. According to Don Cattell, Vice President for Army Programs at GA-ASI, the upgrades ensure Gray Eagle's support of advanced teaming operations with manned and other unmanned platforms. We are fully committed to our Army partners to make sure a proven Gray Eagle ER is equipped for its role as the designated platform for long-range sensors and air-launched effects, Cattell said. Air-launched effects or ALE are deployed by the drone over the area under surveillance, while the Gray Eagle ER MDO continues to serve as the ALE mothership, to enable joint forces to maintain situational awareness deep into the battlefield. GA-ASI has worked with the Army for several years to demonstrate MDO capabilities on the Gray Eagle ER at Yuma Proving Grounds. These demonstrations included fully integrated internally mounted long-range sensors, ALEs, and enhanced control interfaces. The modernized GER-MDO incorporates open architecture aircraft and ground systems, advanced data links, and an upgraded propulsion system. These features significantly enhance the ability to add new capabilities and provide resilience to electronic threats and expeditionary employment to austere locations. The upgraded variant utilizes the open architecture design to operate through a scalable command and control interface. The SC2 system enables soldiers to operate the Gray Eagle ER-MDO through a laptop or handheld devices. Advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning help streamline the system's operation and reduce operator workload. The demonstrations in Yuma also enabled a joint terminal attack controller to control the electro-optical infrared sensor on the Gray Eagle ER and rapidly call for direct and indirect fire on an array of targets. The JTAC was able to see Gray Eagle ER video, aircraft location, and sensor field of regard utilizing an Android Team Awareness Kit and a Trellisware TW950 TSM Shadow radio. Utilizing the Gray Eagle ER's open architecture, the JTAC was able to send a digital call for fires to request artillery support and a digital 9-line for close air support with the push of a few buttons. The Gray Eagle ER, configured for multi-domain operations, autonomously rerouted its flight path to provide the sensor data that the JTAC requested without commands from the Gray Eagle ER operator. Other demonstrations highlighted the use of self-protection pod on the MQ-9. This program was part of a cooperative research and development agreement with U.S. Special Operations Command and with the support of the Air National Guard, the U.S. Navy, and industry partners. This pod leverages mature aircraft survivability equipment to provide full-spectrum awareness and countermeasures. The pod uses Raytheon's AN/ALR-69A-V radar warning receiver set and Leonardo DRS AN/AAQ-45 distributed aperture infrared countermeasure that utilizes a single sensor for both two-color infrared missile warning and wide field of view gimbal for threat countermeasures. In addition, the pod features BAE Systems ALE-47 countermeasures dispenser system to release airborne flares, chaff, and the Bright Cloud Expendable Active Decoy, which is a small, expendable self-contained digital radio frequency memory-based expendable decoy. The Terma AN/ALQ-213 electronic warfare management system manages this electronic countermeasures suite, providing the interface, health, status, and command and control for the various systems installed in the pod. It functions as the ASI manager that coordinates between the various threat warning and dispensing systems to automatically dispense the appropriate sequencing pattern and expendables to protect the drone. Under the current Gray Eagle ER MDO modification and upgrade plan, the U.S. Army-funded program includes 2 aircraft. Flight tests and qualifications will start later this year.